Vegetables and pulses. In this video, we will discuss about the structure, composition, and nutritive value of the vegetables. Basically, a vegetable is any edible part of a plant that does not contain the seed, usually roots, stems, or leaves of the plant. They provide vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fibers. There are five types of vegetables: root vegetables, stem vegetables, leafy green vegetables, flower vegetables, and fruit vegetables. Root vegetables. Basically, these vegetables are underground part of the plant that usually provide energy through their carbohydrate content as they are high in starch, but they are naturally low in fat. Examples include potato, carrot, sweet potato, beetroot. Stem vegetables. These vegetables are plant stems that used as vegetables, grows above the ground and have crunchy texture. Examples include celery, asparagus, rhubarb. Leafy green vegetables. Basically, these vegetables are plant leaves eaten as a vegetable, high in antioxidants, rich in vitamins and minerals. Examples include lettuce, spinach, kale, broccoli. Flower vegetables. These are edible flowers that are high in vitamins. Examples include broccoli, cauliflower, artichokes. Fruit vegetables, developed from flowers, usually contain one or multiple seeds high in water content. Examples include tomatoes, cucumbers, squash, bell peppers. Different vegetables have different colors, and this variation in colors is due to the presence of some chemical compounds in them. Like leafy vegetables are green because they contain chlorophyll, while some vegetables have yellow or orange color. That is due to the presence of carotenoids. And there are some vegetables that have red or blue color, and that is due to the presence of anthocyanins. Vegetables are eaten in a variety of ways as part of main meals or as snacks. They are high in nutrients, but the nutrient content of different types vary considerably with the exception of pulses. Vegetables provide little protein and fat. Now let's talk about the content of water-soluble vitamins in the vegetables. If we discuss about vitamin B group, all vitamin Bs. So most of the vegetables contain some riboflavin and nicotinic acid, while pulses provide a good supply of thiamine. And in the case of vitamin C, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, green peppers, cauliflower, and tomatoes are the richest sources of vitamin C, while the potatoes contain a reasonable amount, and as they are eaten in large amounts, are a useful source. Now let's talk about the content of fat-soluble vitamins in the vegetables. In the case of vitamin A, carrots and dark green leafy vegetables contain the most, while the potatoes, onion, and cauliflower contain none. And in the case of vitamin D, vegetables do not contain vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K. Green vegetables and peas contain a little. Let's discuss about carbohydrates. Plants produce starch during photosynthesis. That is, starch is stored in various parts of the plant, especially the roots and the tubers. Some of the starch is converted into sugar in such vegetables like beetroot, onion, tomatoes, and peas. Many vegetables like cabbage, lentils, and spinach contain calcium and iron. But the presence of cellulose and oxalic acid in those vegetables reduces the availability of those minerals to the body. Principal aims of vegetable cookery. preserve the vitamin and mineral content of the vegetable, they should be prepared in the following ways. If the vegetable requires peeling, peel it very thinly, as there are vitamins and minerals under the skin which could easily be removed. Young potatoes, carrots, and other vegetables often do not require peeling and can be served with their skins on. They should be scrubbed thoroughly beforehand to remove chemicals. Prepare vegetables just before cooking in order to prevent the destruction of vitamins by enzymes. They can be placed in a plastic bag in a cool place to prevent the oxidation of vitamins. Wash the vegetables but do not soak them in water, as this will cause water-soluble vitamins and minerals to be lost. Cook the vegetables in the minimum amount of boiling water. Placing them in boiling water destroys enzyme. This should be cooked for the minimum time with the lid on the pan. Conservative methods of cooking vegetables. All the vegetables except the leaf types can be chopped and sautéed in fat, then cooked covered in the oven until tender. The juices should be used for gravy, which conserves most of the flavor, color, and shape of the vegetables. While microwave cooking of vegetables in the minimum of water is also useful as it conserves nutrients. Now let's discuss that what are the effects of heat on vegetables. Vegetables are cooked to reduce their bulk and make them more digestible by cooking the starch they contain. But there are some vegetables like potatoes usually increase in bulk when cooked as they absorb water. Vitamins and minerals, particularly vitamin C, are usually destroyed by heat. So, vegetables should be cooked carefully to keep such losses to a minimum.